初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I just placed my order.
I just placed my order.
我刚下了订单。
I just placed my order.
I just placed my order.
It should arrive next week.
It should arrive next week.
应该下周会到。
It should arrive next week.
It should arrive next week.
I picked express shipping today.
I picked express shipping today.
我今天选了快递运输。
I picked express shipping today.
I picked express shipping today.
Let me track my package.
Let me track my package.
让我查一下包裹。
Let me track my package.
Let me track my package.
It says out for delivery.
It says out for delivery.
显示正在派送中。
It says out for delivery.
It says out for delivery.
My parcel hasn't arrived yet.
My parcel hasn't arrived yet.
我的包裹还没到。
My parcel hasn't arrived yet.
My parcel hasn't arrived yet.
Did the courier call you?
Did the courier call you?
快递员给你打电话了吗？
Did the courier call you?
Did the courier call you?
I missed the delivery again.
I missed the delivery again.
我又错过派送了。
I missed the delivery again.
I missed the delivery again.
Please leave it at the door.
Please leave it at the door.
请放在门口。
Please leave it at the door.
Please leave it at the door.
Can I pick it up myself?
Can I pick it up myself?
我可以自己去取吗？
Can I pick it up myself?
Can I pick it up myself?
I received the wrong item.
I received the wrong item.
我收到的东西不对。
I received the wrong item.
I received the wrong item.
Something is missing inside.
Something is missing inside.
里面少了东西。
Something is missing inside.
Something is missing inside.
This item arrived damaged.
This item arrived damaged.
这件商品到货时损坏了。
This item arrived damaged.
This item arrived damaged.
The box is completely crushed.
The box is completely crushed.
盒子完全压扁了。
The box is completely crushed.
The box is completely crushed.
I need to file a return.
I need to file a return.
我需要申请退货。
I need to file a return.
I need to file a return.
Where's the return label?
Where's the return label?
退货标签在哪里？
Where's the return label?
Where's the return label?
How do I get a refund?
How do I get a refund?
怎么申请退款？
How do I get a refund?
How do I get a refund?
I want to exchange this.
I want to exchange this.
我想换这个。
I want to exchange this.
I want to exchange this.
It doesn't fit at all.
It doesn't fit at all.
完全不合身。
It doesn't fit at all.
It doesn't fit at all.
The color looks very different.
The color looks very different.
颜色看起来差别很大。
The color looks very different.
The color looks very different.
This is smaller than expected.
This is smaller than expected.
这个比预期的小。
This is smaller than expected.
This is smaller than expected.
I should have read the reviews.
I should have read the reviews.
我该先看评价的。
I should have read the reviews.
I should have read the reviews.
I'm contacting customer service now.
I'm contacting customer service now.
我现在联系客服。
I'm contacting customer service now.
I'm contacting customer service now.
Can you resend the item?
Can you resend the item?
能重新发货吗？
Can you resend the item?
Can you resend the item?
Thanks for solving this quickly.
Thanks for solving this quickly.
谢谢快速解决。
Thanks for solving this quickly.
Thanks for solving this quickly.
I just left a review.
I just left a review.
我刚写了评价。
I just left a review.
I just left a review.
It's worth 5 stars.
It's worth 5 stars.
值得5星好评。
It's worth 5 stars.
It's worth 5 stars.
Delivery was super fast today.
Delivery was super fast today.
今天送货超快。
Delivery was super fast today.
Delivery was super fast today.
I love shopping online now.
I love shopping online now.
我现在喜欢网购。
I love shopping online now.
I love shopping online now.
This app is easy to use.
This app is easy to use.
这个应用很好用。
This app is easy to use.
This app is easy to use.
I found a great deal.
I found a great deal.
我找到了好折扣。
I found a great deal.
I found a great deal.
I saved a lot today.
I saved a lot today.
今天省了不少钱。
I saved a lot today.
I saved a lot today.
Add this to your cart.
Add this to your cart.
把这个加入购物车。
Add this to your cart.
Add this to your cart.
Let's wait for the sale.
Let's wait for the sale.
等打折再买吧。
Let's wait for the sale.
Let's wait for the sale.
Do you have a coupon?
Do you have a coupon?
你有优惠券吗？
Do you have a coupon?
Do you have a coupon?
I'll buy it next time.
I'll buy it next time.
我下次再买。
I'll buy it next time.
I'll buy it next time.
My order history is full.
My order history is full.
我的订单记录满了。
My order history is full.
My order history is full.
Let's check another website.
Let's check another website.
看看别的网站吧。
Let's check another website.
Let's check another website.
I always compare prices first.
I always compare prices first.
我总是先比价。
I always compare prices first.
I always compare prices first.
My package just got here.
My package just got here.
我的包裹刚到。
My package just got here.
My package just got here.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。